Hey everyone! How was your day? It is rainy day and very madilim dito sa amin. I don't know if it is because of smog, but we have a heavy rain a while ago. And gusto kong gumawa ng champurado, pero alam mo yun, alanganin. Hindi nakauwi ang baby ko rito. So, I am alone. So, syempre, para-paraan na lang. Gawa tayo ngayon ng ala champoradong pagkain because this will be my first meal for the day. Kaya anong pin-prepare ko sa inyo? My God, balik na naman tayo sa mabilisang pagkain. But it's still nutritious food. So pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pin-prepare ko. Ang hirap kaya nito i-prepare. Syempre, anong madali? Oatmeal with milk. Ayan. Hindi po ako nagsusugar. This is instant, I use instant oatmeal, yung Quaker Oats, o di kaya yung Australian brand, yun ang ginagamit ko. And of course, I put milk. Ayan. Yun ang gusto ko, madaming milk. Before, I really don't like milk, but kailangan natin. Then, I put collagen. Yan ang nilalagay ko sa aking food lagi. No, hindi yan nawawala. Ang collagen ko. And, ito, meron akong strawberry at saka dates. So, thank you so much, Ate Mitch. Si Ate Mitch ay nagpadala sa akin ng dates. Ano na to? Medyo matagal na siya, pero still okay pa naman. Kaya I'm so thankful with this, no? Thank you so much, Ate Mitch. Mitch Jade. Ayan ang name niya sa Facebook. Ang aking kumare. Hindi lang kumare. We're like sisters na, no? And ganyan lang. Madali ang pagkain. And this will be, gugutumin na ako nito, hapon na. So, between that, I do water and water. And this is the best one because I'm doing my cleansing. I'm doing my cleansing now. So, I use our product. Every 3 months, nagki-cleansing po ako. So, a lot of people keep on asking me kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Just to maintain kung ano yung meron tayo, no? To be a healthier every day. Is, ginagawa ko talaga every 3 months, nagki-cleansing ako. And, as much as possible, I do eat, talaga, organic and healthy food. So, umiwas na ako talaga dun sa mga nakaugalian nating pagkain before. 'Di ba? Grabe ako kumain before ng mga eat all you can with my stuff. Hindi maiwasan 'yun eh. But for now, I do discipline myself not to eat those kind of food. Kasi ayaw ko na talaga magkasakit. It's really hard. Promise, it's really hard. So, ito, and at times I do cook what food that I am craving for. So yun ang ginagawa ko. So let's eat, and I have my water with me. Thank you so much for joining me in this video.